You have probably wanted to build a successful e-commerce business with Shopify, but you have no idea how to start, where to start, or actually how to use the most important platform right now that you can use for your e-commerce business, which is Instagram. So in this video, we actually dive deep and reveal exactly how you can use polls, Instagram stories, and Shopify integration with Instagram to make sure you build a successful e-commerce business. What is up, online CEOs? My name is Josue Pena, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. And today we're talking all about e-commerce, all about Shopify, all about Instagram integration with Shopify and how you can actually use it and make it happen for you. And then we dive into actually how to use Instagram stories and specifically polls to make sure you make more sales for your own e-com store and Shopify. This video is actually the replay of a live training and coaching call that we did where we actually broke down step by step on how to do this, why this is so important for you, and how these updates on the Instagram algorithm and platform will affect you in a positive way. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and red subscribe button down below if you do not want to miss out the next future videos where we spell out a lot more secrets and a lot more strategies that you can implement right away. And like always, on every single video, if you stay until the very end, we're giving away $100 straight to your PayPal. So don't plan on going anywhere because this one is going to be a good one. So in the last one, we talked about how to use polls. I'm going to go briefly on it, but if you want to see that more, like, there's going to be links in the description below to actually, so you can see the videos, so you can see that video again. But the polls is basically, I use them personally to pre-frame the audience for something that's coming or a sale or to push them to the funnel and stuff like that. So how do I actually do that? I'm going to show you now how I do it, but the way I do it is, for example, I tell something that I intrigue the audience with something in particular. So let's say right now I'm going to show you a fitness example, but let's say you are in the beauty niche, right? So you can say something like, you take the phone and you say something, hey, what's up guys? Here I am, I'm gonna do my makeup real quick, and I wanted to know, what do you think I should wear? Mascara or something else? I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm not in the beauty industry, but you know what I'm saying? Like let's say you're in the travel industry and you're going to the beach and you're like, oh, okay, I don't know what swimsuit I should wear. Like, what's up guys? What do you think I should wear? This one or this one? And same thing. You just want to ask people questions so that they click and like click yes or no or whatever it is. And you can use emojis instead of saying yes or saying no. So it's really, really powerful. I just use it personally as a way to pre-frame the audience before I actually show them something. So I'm going to show you an example here real quick so you can actually see how I do it. So let's see right here. Boom. All right. So you should be seeing my phone right now. This is one of my accounts. It's called Elation Fitness. It has 221,000 followers. So for example, if we look at the Instagram stories right here on the top, you can see that I literally just did this right now. So the numbers are going to be a little bit off, but you can see right here is has 1,500 views at the bottom, and 73% voted yes and 27% voted no. So I was just basically asking them, hey, would you like to see a free workout? Right? I'm going to tell them, hey, I'm about to go to the gym. And would you like to see a free workout? Because I can give it to you. So they're like, I just asked a question, right? And the pre-frame here is I'm going to give them a free lead magnet for them to enter in the funnel later on in the Instagram stories. And you're going to see this right now. So you see like me just asking them, just talking to them, and just randomly doing it on an Instagram story, right? And then I just keep going. The second one, and you can see something real interesting here. This one doesn't have something visual. It just has my face. There's no result being like pitched. Like they're not seeing the result that they're going to obtain. So there has like 73% say yes, 27% said no. Cool, right? But what about this one? They see the result. Like they see my transformation, right? They see me before and then me after with the workout program that I follow. And I see like, would you like to see the workout that I follow to get these results? You see the percentage of people saying yes is actually bigger than this one. Over here it says 73%. This one says 77%. And actually, it was done in the last hour or so. So the numbers are a little bit lower than expected, but in the next 24 hours, it should go up to, let's say, I would say 85%. I will update you guys in the comment section or in the group if you're part of it. But you can actually see right here, just like me talking to the camera, just saying them, hey, I'm pre-framing this, like this is a pre-frame, right? But I'm just telling them, hey, this is how you can use it, this is how you can do it, and here is the pitch. You can see right here. And what I did was, hey, you can actually get the free workout program. You don't even have to wait for me to go to the gym and show you on Instagram. You can do it right now, get your free workout program just by swiping up. So I put the link here, and they can just swipe up, and they can just go to the website, right? Like they can just go to the landing page that I built, right? So this is a landing page. They can just put the name and email, boom, right there. And this thing is actually converting really, really well, over 50%. This thing is converting at over 50%. So they can just swipe up and get the free workout program if they want to follow along my workout routine that I'm going to be showing them a little bit later on tonight. So it's easy sell, right? I already showed them the results. I already pre-framed them. Hey, do you want to see this stuff? They said yes. Like 77% of them said yes. So the next one is, okay, cool. You said yes, swipe up and you can get it for free even before you can actually see the workout, and you can follow along with me, all right? So the next one, I said again, I just did it again just to prove to a point here. Would you like to see the results? 72% say yes, boom. Oh, 72% say yes, and then swipe up again. So as you can see right here, like this is a perfect example. I did the same thing twice, one with video and the other one with photo. Okay, so photos on Instagram stories and then other one with video on Instagram stories. And you can actually see the conversion. So 72% said yes. And over here, when I actually showed the results, 77% say yes. So the percentage is higher. So use video on Instagram stories. Pictures do not convert as well as video. That's an obvious, in my opinion, is an obvious understatement, but many people use pictures instead of videos on Instagram stories. So as you can see right here, it's a super simple way to pre-frame people. Ask them something before you actually pitch them. Hey, do you want to see the workout I follow to get the result? Yes or no? They say yes. Cool. All right. So get your free workout program and follow along just by swiping up. And as you can see, I actually put in text the swipe up thingy in the bottom so they actually know what motion to do. So let's say I'm just going to go right here and do like I'm going to do another one, right? So I'm right here. You can actually see yourself. That's over there. So right here, I am talking to you guys. And what you do is just simply hold. You talk to the camera. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to do a free Instagram story. Or, go to the gym. All that good stuff. Blah, 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 blah. You do your pre-frame right here. This is where you do your pre-frame. And then you just, the thingy is running out. And you have the call to action. And then what you do is you go on the top here. Boom. You click the poll button. Boop. And whatever question you have, let's say you want to learn how to become a better, I don't know, marketer or something. This is a fitness account, so I'm not going to post this. So you can, instead of saying yes, you can say, you can put heck yeah, heck yes. And you can put an emoji there, or nah, you can say, nah, I'm boring. Nah, I'm boring. Boom. There you go. Right. So it's a quick, simple poll, and just people can click any of them, right? Or you can just put an emoji here. Instead of just saying yes, you can put an emoji or fire thingy or anything you want, right? This is the pre-frame. Now, let's say you posted this one and you're going to post a new one. So what you do is, cool, guys, I see that you've seen, many of you said yes. So what I'm going to do is, right now, I'm just giving you a free complete worksheet or a paid one, whatever it is. Just swipe up right now and you can get it right away. Boom. Call to action, super simple. You put your link here. You put blah, 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 blah.com, right? So let's say it's your link. And here, let's say you put, again, you pre-frame them, you get them the results. So I haven't thought about this and like the copy, but become a better marketer today. Yeah, marketer today. Boom. So you did another one. We put this emoji. We use caps. Swipe up. Boom. Put this. You put it bigger. Put it in the center. Done deal. We post this and done deal. That's how you pre-frame, and you just already pushing traffic to your website and link by just on Instagram stories, right? It's something super, super simple, but it's extremely powerful. Like, you have no idea how many people like click. I will probably get from this alone over 2,500 clicks in the next 24 to 48 hours just from this to my website, to my funnel. And that converts over 50%. So it is extremely, extremely powerful. So hopefully you're able to see the power on how to usually use polls to pre-frame whatever the offer that you're using, and then use the swipe up thingy, the swipe up feature, to actually push traffic to your website, to your landing page, and all that good stuff. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, drop them down below, whether you're in the live stream or in the replay. I'll be more than happy to answer if you have any. All right. So now we're going to move on. Hopefully that makes sense. Now we're going to move on and show you how the Shopify and Instagram integration that they just rolled out. So imagine being able to use polls and pushing traffic to your link, but with also the integration with Shopify. So for example, let's say you have a watch brand, right? Like you build watches, right? You build watches and all that good stuff, and you ask your followers on Instagram stories, hey, which watch do you like more? This one or this one? Or you're about to do a launch, right? And instead of you doing the launch by like you thinking that you know what your audience wants, how about you ask what your audience wants? So instead of you rolling out a brown watch with a dark like center, instead of like ask them, right? Would you like a silver one? Would you like a black one? Would you like a brown one? Something super simple. They will tell you what they want. And there you rolled out an update. And here's the cool part, something that I did not show you. Let's say you're selling, like say you don't have a big following, right? You don't have 200,000 followers, but let's say you still want to make sales and push traffic, okay? You like, let's say you want to push stuff, right? You don't need a big following. This is a huge misunderstanding that we see in the industry a lot, is that people think that you need a big following to make money on Instagram, which is not the case. And I'm going to show you how you can actually do it, because Instagram polls just killed it and made your life so much simpler. So I'm going to use this thing before I actually show you the Shopify thingy, right? So we're going to go again right here. Boom. So let's go on the Instagram stories again. We see 73%. Actually, it's probably a little bit more now. I don't even know. 71. Okay. So it went down. 70. This one is 77 still. So let's say we're here, right? Let's say we want to only talk to the people who said yes, because they said, hey, I'm interested in your product and service, right? They already said that. So what you do is you swipe up and you go right here, and you'll see all the people who voted yes. So see all. So you can see this guy voted no. All right. So I don't want to talk to him. But Juanpa, this guy said yes. So what do? I said, hey, boom, send message. Oh, look at this. This guy actually sent me several messages before, and he speaks Spanish. So I just sent him a message. But let's say this one is actually super easy, because this message that I sent him right now, if I send him a message like blah, 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 this message will not go in the request. So it will not go here. I'm going to show you. It will not go in this inbox right here. So I have a lot of requests, right? I have over 100. But it will not go here because he already talked to me first, like once. So if we go right here and we actually see the people who voted, see all again, and we go Juanpa right here, boom, we send message. This is how you actually pre-frame, like you already pre-frame your audience, and you can say, hey, Juanpa, I just saw that you voted yes on the little poll I did. So it looks like you are interested in seeing awesome results and getting a six-pack ASAP. Right? So this might be a question, or you can just tell them, hey, I saw that you voted. Here's where you get the thing. Like, yeah, you can just put the link right here, elationfitness.co/free ebook. Boom. I can just put the link there. I can just tell them, hey, you can get it. You can get it here, right? And I put a couple of emojis. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Done deal, right? Super simple message. Hey, Juanpa, I just saw that you voted yes, blah, 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 blah. And when you have a small following, you're not going to get this many votes, right? But for you, it's super simple to follow up with people, and this is going to increase your conversion rate by a lot. I'm telling you, by a lot. So you said Juanpa voted yes, you send them a message. Jose voted yes, you send them a message. Alex here said yes, you send them a message. Matt said yes, you send them a message. This guy's Adit, said no, I don't send him a message. He said he wasn't interested. But hey, this I am 50 pieces chicken nugget, he said yes. Apparently he doesn't want to eat chicken nuggets anymore. He wants a 6-pack. So you send him a message. You send a message to this guy too. Let's say this guy voted no. You don't send them a message because he said he's not interested. You don't want to pitch people who are not interested and will not buy. You don't want to like become that sales guy that's annoying, right? Because they're followers, by the way. These people that are seeing this are your followers, and you don't want to annoy them and over pitch them. So this is how you pitch without actually being salesy, which people love. People love to buy, but they don't like to be pitched. So you just keep going on this, and you just like, hey, this guy said yes. This guy said no. I don't pitch him. This guy, let's see. This guy said yes, and you keep going and keep going. And if you have a small following, and let me put this in again. So if you have a small following, the amount of votes you're gonna get is not going to be that big. But the people are going to tell you what they want. So you have 500, 100, 1,000. It doesn't matter. This thing works. I know personally my students and people I work with and all that good stuff that are making over $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month on Instagram with less than 10,000 followers. Like less than 10,000 followers, and this is the way they do it. Obviously, they didn't even have polls before, so it was even harder for them. But now they have polls, and it's super, super easy. Super. You just pre-frame your audience, and you just pitch them, and the people who say yes, that's the people who you show your offer to, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. Leave your comment below if it does. Hit the like button if it does. I would love to know if it does. If it doesn't, so yeah. Now we're going to go over the Shopify integration with Instagram, which is super, super awesome. So we're going to go again right here. So you can see right here, Shopify on Instagram is growing. Shopping on Instagram is growing with Shopify, and you can now tag products right like this, and they will check out automatically from the app itself. So you can tag to sell your products, your physical products from Shopify. Holidays, by the way, holidays are coming up. This is huge, and this is literally the future of mobile shopping. Like Instagram is a billboard, and you have the opportunity to be able to display your products and services to these people, and these people will buy. I'm telling you right now, like I'm using this. I'm going to be using this a lot because it's going to be really, really exciting. So all the links, by the way, for all these articles and everything are going to be in the description below, so you can read them a little bit more, pause in your time and all that good stuff. So we can see right here also, sell more with Instagram, putting your products right here, tagging your products on the actual post, so you can see everything right here. Instagram has over 700 million users. Shopify has over 500,000 people on their platform. So this is going to be huge. This is going to be really, really awesome. If you want to know how to actually do it, you can just go right here, and this will also tell you all the steps you got to follow in order to sell on Instagram directly from Shopify, directly from their Instagram app. So this should help you a lot. There's like create a business page and like 6 steps right there. And also I link this part. So it's around 5-6 steps. All these links are in the description below, so you can check them out. And funny story, I also saw Neil Patel. So if you know anything, Neil Patel is a huge marketer, really famous one. And yesterday he uploaded this video, how to use Instagram stories to promote your business, 3 Instagram marketing tips. And funny enough, I haven't never seen Instagram, like Neil Patel on Instagram. He's talking about Instagram, and when this guy talks, like something is huge. So if you're not using Instagram, it is extremely important that you do. So implement the stuff that we talked to you about today. Is going to drastically change your business and help you make more money and increase your loyal following base and engagement, because Instagram stories, the polls and stuff like that is going to dramatically change your Instagram account because it's new. It catches people's attention, and you're actually able to serve your audience in a better way because you're only showing your offer to the people who are interested, and you're like not showing it to the people who are not. It's basically kind of like a sales funnel on Instagram, which is super awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed that video right there. If you did, make sure you hit that like button down below. And let's talk about the giveaway and what you need to do and actually to participate to win the $100 straight to your PayPal. All you have to do is hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button down below, and comment Shopify with Instagram. All you have to do is comment Shopify with Instagram in order to participate and win $100. The winner, like always, will be announced and selected on my own personal Instagram story. So make sure you follow me right here. And that is it for this video. My name is Josue Pena, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. Make sure you go out there and implement this stuff because it will literally transform your life forever and help you build a really successful e-commerce business with integration and combination of Instagram. Keep crushing it, online CEOs, and we'll see you on the next one.